Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to edit a photo on your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, a photo, a screenshot, or an image. And now we can go all the way to the iPhone, click on photos, go to the camera roll. We have a photo that we screenshotted a couple of minutes ago. Click on this and now click on edit. We can enhance the photo's quality by pressing the right top corner. And now the photo contrast has changed. We now see a photo in higher resolution. We can actually turn the photo left, 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 or different angles. Reset. Use the markup tool on your image. Revert back. Use a pencil. Use the eraser. Go back a couple of times. Magnify each section if you would like to. Use text. Change the text to iPhone. Done. And now we have edited the image, inserted a magnifying glass, text, change the contrast, go back to the iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.